This is the 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. It has just under 120,000 kilometers on the odometer and has a 3.6 liter V6 engine under the hood. And on the interior, you have your power mirrors, power windows, and power locks, with storage along the middle and bottom of the door. Your interior seating is a tan cloth. And we'll take a look at the odometer here. You can see there we have 119,826 kilometers. Over to the left, you have your dial for your headlights, along with your dimming dial for your gauges. And on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your trip reset buttons, along with your audio source controls on the back of the steering wheel. And on the right-hand side, you have your cruise controls, along with your volume controls on the back of the steering wheel there. In the middle here, you have your AM/FM radio, along with a CD player and auxiliary in. Down here, you have your dual zone climate controls, along with your eco drive mode button, hazard lights, and your traction control button. Cubby for storage there, your cup holders there, another cubby for storage along with your power outlets down below. And as you can see, the interior is in great shape. And on the exterior, you have your general tires on 16-inch plain steel rims with wheel covers by Dodge. And we'll take a look at the tire tread there. And we'll go to the rear of the vehicle. You have your Grand Caravan badge there, your Dodge badge along the back. And this vehicle does feature remote engine start. So if you just hold down the button on the remote, it'll start right up for you. And then to shut it off, you can just hold down the button again, and it'll shut off. And now we'll take a look at the trunk. You do have your third row seating here in the Grand Caravan. Lots of cargo space here in the back. Your rear seats do fold down. Just pull on the straps here. And pull on the strap there, fold down. Same with the left-hand side. Just like that. Then you have extra storage space for whatever you need to carry around. They also fold back here into the back, so you have a full flat surface as well, with your stow and go seating. And in the rear interior, you have lots of legroom here in the second row with storage along the back of the passenger and the driver's seat. Also, your third row seating is also in great condition with cup holders on the left and right hand side. So that is the 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. And if you go online to parkmazda.ca, you can fill out a test drive form, come on down for a test drive, and we'll hook you up with a $25 Visa gift card. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.